Hey everyone, welcome back to Fix Zone. In today's video, we're going to show you a super useful trick, how to share your location with a contact right from your iPhone. Let's get started. First things first, we need to make sure location sharing is enabled on your phone. Open the Settings app, and then tap on your name at the very top. Next, find and tap on Find My. In here, make sure that Share My Location is toggled on. If it's green, you're good to go. Now that we've done that, let's share our location with a specific contact. Open the Contacts app, and it's important, use the Contacts app, not the phone app, otherwise this won't work. Choose the contact you want to share with. If you don't see the person you want to share with, just tap the plus button in the top right to create a new contact. Once you've chosen your contact, scroll all the way to the bottom of their contact card and tap on Share My Location. You'll see three options: Share Indefinitely, Share Until End of Day, and Share for 1 hour. Pick the option that best suits your needs. I'm going to pick one now. And that's it. You've successfully shared your location with that contact. Now, what if you want to stop sharing your location? No problem. You can do this either in the Find My app, or back in the Settings. Let's show you how to do it through Settings. Open the Settings app again, tap on your name at the top, and then tap on Find My. Below, you'll see a list of all the contacts you're currently sharing your location with. Select the contact you want to stop sharing with, and then simply tap Stop Sharing My Location. They'll be removed from the list, and you'll no longer be sharing your location with them. And that's all there is to it. A super simple way to control your location sharing on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Don't forget to subscribe to Fix Zone for more helpful iPhone tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.